Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Hi guys, my name is Agnes. Today on Mum's home cooking, we are making some pakoras. 3 different types of pakora. One with paneer and onions pakora, then chicken strips, and then bread pakora. Okay, we will need gram flour, paneer, chicken and bread with red chilies and salt. Firstly, we'll wash the chicken, chop it, cut it into strips and then wash it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's quite mad with a bread knife.
Bread knife. We'll just chop it up. Mind your fingers. I think that size.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's quite weird that a bread knife works quite well on chicken.
Good, yeah, I think my other knives I need to be...
Where's that red bit?
That's just because it's off the bone, isn't it?
Ah.
Yeah. You can do as much or as little as you want. I think that's enough for us, yeah?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is cook the chicken halfway. So when you're frying it, it will cook quicker.
I always think it's weird how like that was part of an animal that was running about.
It's horrible when you think about it. You wouldn't eat it if you really think it.
To be fair, I don't mind, innit?
Yeah.
I'd like to hunt something, but a lot of people like Mum, they used to hate it. Every time I used to say it, I'm like, why eat it then, innit? If you can't...
Yeah. We can't deal with it. The funny thing when we go to India is when the chickens are running around in the house, you know, outside, and what they'll do is take one inside in the shed and chop it up and bring it, and next thing you know it's on your plate, you know, and that you can't eat. I couldn't eat it at all. I just...
Is it? You used to get very worried.
Like, yeah, it's just like, oh, poor thing was really dead a minute ago.
That really is a minute ago though, like, here, bang, let's cook it.
Crazy.
So it's like that, isn't it, when you're in the village, it's in your face.
That's how they, you know, they can't afford to go to the town every time they need a chicken or meat.
Especially if you've got chickens running about.
Yeah, so some people just grow it for the sake of that.
Sick though.
So, yeah.
Alright, so now these are finished. You can see they're browned off a bit. Just to half cook it, otherwise you got to try and cook the chicken in the oil. Nobody's got time for that. So let us know in the comments, is this just an Indian thing to have?
Yeah, kodai.
Yeah, just have a
It's
fat...
Indian kodai.
Yeah.
Everybody's had it. Like, we still use it now for chips, but now, because we got an air fryer, we don't use it so much, you know, obviously. So. Okay. All of the oil away. So what we need to do is just cool it down, let it cool down, and then...
Sweet.
So leave it by the window, yeah. And now we'll do the paneer.
Yeah.
Get the paneer ready, and by the time our pan will be ready. So this, I think we'll do it really fine.
Yeah.
We'll chop the onions up. Not too big, not too small, we'll just dice it, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you can't find paneer in your shops, just ask for Indian cooking cheese. It should be the same thing.
Yeah.
I think paneer is the name of the brand, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's slightly different cheese, but right, we're going to try to mix.
What did we make last time with paneer?
Huh?
We done paneer last time.
We did sagan paneer.
Oh yeah, go check our sagan paneer video.
Yeah. So let's do some in dice. Do lots of diced.
Oh yeah, the noise in the background is the oil.
Yeah, heating up. Right. Now, like this. I mean, you can put it in however you want, really. I want to crumble it all up and then see how they come out, you know.
More personal preference. I mean, it should cook the same.
Yeah, it
Either
should.
way.
It is.
Oh yeah, we'll have a podcast coming soon with Nandi.
We don't need too much chilies for this. Just over quarter of a. I mean, you can use some green chilies as well. It still looks looks like the same, but it doesn't look as
nice.
those will come up. Gives the chili powder itself gives it a nicer colour. Bit of salt, half a teaspoon.
So is it equal amounts? Like you use a teaspoon of chili, you use a teaspoon of salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slightly less than the chili.
Oh, okay, so like a teaspoon of chili, 3/4 of salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And then
The ground flour.
what I'll do is I'll do the butter shake. Spoon.
Good thing about Indian food as well is it works out kind of cheap.
Yeah, it does. Very cheap.
I mean, you got to know how to cook it, obviously.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, if you do a curry, I mean, it will last you 2 days. You know, that's how we do it. So next day you can cook something else for the evening.
Yeah.
You have that for lunch as well. Right, okay. And gram flour. Maybe. Ooh, making a mess today, man. Okay. We'll try with 3 teaspoons. And if you need more, then we can obviously add more. Gonna have the paste bit watery, obviously, to cover every bit of the paneer. Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't like getting your hands dirty, you're on the wrong channel.
You just use a spoon.
I think that is a big part of cooking though, is getting your hands dirty.
Dirty, yeah. Maybe a little bit of flour. this is what the mixture should be like. Yeah. So it's easy. So you can cover it in the, should be covered in the pan, in the mixture to put it in the pan. Okay, that's it, it's done. I mean, you can use a spoon, but it's just so used to it, doing it by hand. So it's, please make sure you it's hot.
Yeah, be
careful,
safe.
Be safe.
If you hurt yourself, it's your own fault now. You've been told.
I'm just trying to pick out the square bits first, and
Hey, you're not burning yourself now.
oh, really hot.
Why is the bubbles coming out of oil? Is it just like
It's
trapped oxygen or something?
must be.
No, I was thinking about it the other day. I was like, what actually makes it bubble? Paneer pakora, pretty much done. Just go cook it now.
Yeah.
You're as young as you feel.
Yeah. That's how it should be. Go there. If it's spluttering too much, just turn the gas on low. Put it on medium and then do it, because you obviously don't want hands burning.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how they should look.
Should look nice and golden.
Alright, so Moni's got the
Gram flour and a bit of chilli.
Oh yeah, nani is nan in Indian. It's not like a weird name we go for it.
I've had all sorts of names.
Well, I say most people call you mum, innit?
Yeah, most of them. I couldn't believe the taxi driver. Yeah, looking good.
I mean, if you're feeling lazy, you can go get these at Iceland, but
But
I
yeah,
don't think they're
nothing
gonna be
like
as-
homemade.
exactly.
You know what chicken you put in, you know what spices you put in. You know. So let's turn the gas up again. Strip by strip.
It's gonna be sick. They come out better than the Iceland one, and they should
Oh,
do.
yeah. Yeah.
Probably use that for the bread, innit?
Yeah. It's the same mixture again. And we'll do some bread ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. That's quite cool, because the chicken's heavier than all the other stuff, they sank.
So, yeah. And when they're ready, when it's cooked, they will come to the front.
Slowly starting to rise. Oh, bloody hell.
There's our chicken pakoras done.
So we done bread pakora in one of our old episodes. But I'll give you a little reminder. The spread and potato pakora are the best ones, man. Alright, we got
usually chicken goes off, isn't it?
chicken pakora and bread pakora and paneer pakora and pakora. It's too good, man. Let's see if we can crack that
I read this one, but it really annoys me. I had an appointment, I knew I was coming.
Okay, on Mum's Home Cooking, we made some paneer pakoras, chicken pakora, bread pakora for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. This is Agnes signing off.